Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be talking about how can we send emails using flows in Salesforce. Okay, so let's head over to our flow builder. Okay, and here what we are going to achieve is that suppose there is this lead. Okay, now whenever the status of lead is converted from something else to closed, okay, we are assuming that the lead is created, okay, and its status is not closed. That means we have to work only on updation. Okay, and whenever this is changed to this closed converted, an email should be sent to this email id. Okay, and yeah, I'm notifying the user, or you're notifying them that okay, your lead is converted. And yeah, that's all we have to do. Let's head over to flow builder. Now, one thing I want to discuss before we move forward is that whenever we select a record is created, okay, and we say update triggering record and just anything, and we look for like city is equals to, and here let me show you this record. This stores the details, you know the current details of the record. Okay, but but whenever, for example, if we select updated, okay, updated, then if we write here record, there you can see there's this record prior global variable as well. Now what does this record prior variable store? It stores the previous or the prior values of the record before this flow was triggered. Suppose we are saying that um, whenever the lead status is changed from something else to closed converted, that means that in the record prior there will be a clone of this lead record in which the status field will be working contacted, and the dollar record, like once we change this and we click on save, the trigger will be fired, the flow will be triggered, sorry. Okay, the flow will be triggered, and in the record global variable the lead status field will be closed converted, and in the record prior it will be what, this working contracted. So that is the difference between record prior and record global variable. Okay, now let's delete this, and here we are just working with the updation. What are our condition requirements? Let's see. Our condition requirement should be that record prior, sorry about that, that the stage name, stage, sorry, status. Now whatever the current status, it uh, should not be equal to what close converted. Oh, sorry, it should be equals to close converted. Okay, that is one thing. Now we have the record. Let's move on. Okay, let's go. But there is one catch here. What if it was previously close converted and we updated some other field, and updated some other field, then the again triggered will be fired. So what we have to do, we have to apply a decision element here. Check whether status is updated. Okay, here status is updated. I'm going to say that record status does not equals record prior status. And one more thing is record prior status does not equals. Does this make sense? That means that the status field was definitely changed. The prior value of the status was something else, and now it is something else. Okay, and one more thing is that previous value was not close converted. I think this would handle itself only in the entry criteria, but still I have added this. Okay, now this is where we need to work. This is where we need to send our email. Okay, now for that, again, similar to our notification video, we are going to select action element here, and I'm gonna say send email. Here it is. I'm gonna say send email. Now for the body, okay, for the body we need to create a text template. Okay, let's just head over here, click on new resource, text template, and I'm gonna say that record name is converted. US plain text, and let's just remove this. Hit done. Okay, value should be what? I think body. Done. Let's head over here, action, send email, label should be send email. Now body, we have already created a text template for that. Okay, we can also use an email template here. Okay, and make this true. Now recipients address list. Here I'm gonna say record email, and here it should be record ID. Okay, and next would be this one. Make this true. Subject lead converted. Okay, hit done. Let's save this flow. Email on converted lead. Okay, let's click on save. The field contains a derived value that isn't supported in a scheduled or record flow. Okay, so we cannot use this name. Okay, so what can we use here? Uh, uh, uh. Can we use the title or company? Let's use company. Here it is. Let's use company. Okay, let's just take this again. Company. Okay, done. Let's hit on save. Okay, good. I think everything is good. Let's hit activate. Now, we don't have access to this email, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that I'm going to use this temporary email facility, and okay, copy this and paste it here. Just click on save. Okay, now let's see if our flow works. Let's click save. Okay, now we should have received email. Oh, okay, there you go. Lead converted. Farmers Corporation of Florida is converted. Okay, so as you can see that we have successfully received an email. What we wanted to do, we have achieved. Okay, so that is all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.